Hey everyone, Tessa here. Although I purchased this Miracle-Gro Indoor Plant Food, I have partnered with the seller and may receive an extra commission. First of all, I have to tell you, I am not a green thumb. My husband, however, is. And all because of him, I know about Miracle-Gro. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't know about Miracle-Gro. But you have to see a plant that I have been taking care of. So you are going to be blown away by this. And we used Miracle-Gro on this plant. And I'll show you that in a moment. But before we do that, I'm just going to give you a little bit more information about this. Because there are a couple of questions like, can it be used on outdoor plants? This is specifically formulated for indoor plants. And you can visit this website right here, aapfco.org/metals.html, for more information. Also, another question is this plant food organic? It is not organic. The ingredients listed are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, which indicates it's a synthetic fertilizer rather than an organic one. But believe me, it does an amazing job for your plants. And it has the instructions here how to use it. So you just pump directly on the soil, then water it as normal. 1 pump for small plants or small pots, and then 2 pumps for large pots that are over 6 feet. And then again, water as usual. Or you can combine 4 pumps in 1 quart of water, and you can do it that way. So let me show you the plant I was talking about. So that's the one I was telling you about. This is a Dieffenbachia. Some people are actually allergic to Dieffenbachia. My husband happens to be one of those people. So I take care of this plant. I take care of other plants too, but this one he can't touch. So I have to make sure I maintain it, and it's super easy to maintain. I mean, if I can grow this plant like this, anyone can, honestly, really. Like I said, I am not a green thumb. So this plant is about 6 feet tall, so I'm just going to give it 2 pumps, there and there, and then I just water as usual. And your plants are going to be so happy. It really does make a big difference with our plants. I highly recommend it.